Thanks for exploring Studio Go, a complete school planner that helps your students become more self regulated and autonomous, and helps you regain some quality time to teach. In Studio Go, students can see all their Google Classroom assignments and plan when and how they will work on each one, building up skills to manage their time and tasks on their own. Your first step as a teacher is to get your students connected. Since you've connected Google Classroom as part of connecting to Studio Go, your students can now directly log in using their own Google account. To set which of your classes can connect and appear in your dashboard, go to Settings, Connected Apps, and manage your Google Classroom connection. You can track which students have connected by clicking on one of your classes listed on the left. All of your students' names appear at the top, and you can switch between them. When they first connect, students are asked to give you access to their planner. If they did not, you can send them a reminder to do so. In the main area, you can see the state of their 4-column planner with every new item appearing in the inbox and items they've planned to work on today or later in the appropriate column. This view will also display work posted by other teachers in your school. This can help you avoid adding too much on days where students already have a large number of assignments. You can now explore the Insights tab, where you will see some metrics on how frequently your students plan their work, how much time they put aside for each assignment, and much, much more. As they learn to use Studio Go, you can guide your students towards mastering skills such as planning, breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable parts, and build a better understanding of their own learning process.